For years, Cerb's interface leaned on other people's libraries. jQuery UI, ACE, D3, C3, Dagre, TopoJSON. Half of them hadn't shipped a real release in years. In Cerb 11.2, every one of them is gone. We replaced them with Cerb UI, our own component library, built for Cerb, owned by us. Start with the code editors, KATA, Markdown, JSON, and scripting all share one engine. Syntax highlighting, code folding, line numbers and gutter markers, search and replace, autocomplete that knows Cerb's own schemas, keyboard shortcuts that behave like the editor you already use, and a diff gutter that tracks your changes live against your last save, so you can see exactly what you touched and click any marker to see what it was before. Then the charts. Bar, line area, spline, pie, donut, scatter plot, gauge. Sparklines inline in your work lists, distribution bars, time blocks, real geographic maps. All native, all yours. All rendering in a fraction of the weight. Automations get a real flow graph. Your script drawn as a control flow diagram, you can pan, zoom, and double-click to jump straight to the line. Then everything you touch all day. Record choosers that search as you type. Select menus with type to filter and record type icons, a date picker that understands next Tuesday at 4 p.m., tag inputs, color pickers, icon pickers, file uploads, image editors, a full inline calendar with day, week, month, and year views, dialogs, tabs, accordions, split panes, sidebars, toolbars, menus, drag and drop that actually feels right, and the new agent components, the prompt composer with @mentions and image paste, and the transcript view that renders a whole agent conversation. All of it in light mode and dark mode, from one design system, all of it keyboard aware, all of it consistent, because it's all the same components underneath. Here's the part that matters if you build on Cerb. Go to Setup, Developers, UI Reference. Every component is there live, running, in your own install, click through the demos, copy the markup, drop it into your plugin or your widget. Your extensions look native from the first line of code. And it's lighter. The first dozen components came in around 35 kilobytes. jQuery UI alone was over 230. Faster to load, faster to work in, nothing to wait on an upstream maintainer for.